Kiran from Hyderabad, a diabetologist since 2005. We have some useful information I would like to share with you. COVID-19 and diabetes. American Diabetes Association COVID-19 page report, which gives tips specific to people with diabetes. Outbreaks of novel viruses should always be a public health concern but not a reason to panic. As people living with diabetes, we should always be extra prepared, especially like current situations of pandemics. Understand your risk. The COVID-19 pandemic can affect any individual. However, studies say those with a history of chronic illness or medical complications like diabetes, high blood pressure are at higher risk for developing the infections. In a diabetic person, along with the body's blood glucose levels, its insulin production is also compromised. That causes lasting complications, especially on the immunity. People with high or unmanaged blood sugar levels have weaker natural defense meant to protect the body against several infections and promote healing. Hence, it usually takes a little longer than usual for people with chronic illness to recover as well. How to manage diabetes during sick days? It's critically important for people with diabetes to understand that COVID-19 illness can raise their blood pressure levels and high blood pressure can lead to dehydration. Stay hydrated, drink a lot of fluids. If you routinely check your blood glucose at home, you will probably need to do it more often. If you don't test your blood glucose levels at home, be aware of the symptoms of hyperglycemia, which include passing more urine than normal, especially at night, being very thirsty, headaches, tiredness and lethargy. If you have type 1 diabetes, check your blood glucose levels at least every 4 hours, including during the night. Check your ketones if your blood sugar levels is higher, greater than 240 milligrams per deciliter, more than 2 times in a row. Ask about telehealth remote virtual visits. This will limit possible contacts with others who may have the virus. Remember to eat healthy, exercise, get enough sleep and manage stress. Ask your doctor about extra monitoring you might need. The internet, WhatsApp has so much information on coronavirus, but be aware, it's important to remember that not everything you read is a fact. There are so many fake news happening. Limit the information you consume about the outbreak and trust reliable sources. How can I prepare in the event I become infected and have diabetes? Everyone should have a plan in case they are a loved one who becomes ill. For people living with diabetes, this is very important. So inform your loved ones or people at home about certain important facts. Gather the contact information for your doctors, clinic, pharmacy and your insurance. Write down the names and doses of your medication. Have enough medication for 1 to 2 weeks in case you cannot get to the pharmacy to refill your prescriptions. Ensure you have enough devices, supplies, that is pump supplies, pen supplies, monitor supplies, etc. Ensure all your medications have refills available so you don't have to leave the house if you become ill. Have extra supplies like rubbing alcohol, hand sanitizers and soap to wash your hands. Keep simple sugars, glucose tablets, hard candies on hand in case you need to treat low blood glucose, which may occur more frequently with illness. Have ketone strips available if you have type 1 diabetes. Review how to manage sick days. Be aware of symptoms of hypoglycemia. If you are experiencing a low blood glucose level below 70 milligrams, eat 15 grams of simple carbs like glucose, honey, jam, hard candy, juice or regular soda. Eat healthy. Wash your hands and clean your injection, infusion and finger stick sites with soap and water or rubbing alcohol. COVID-19 patients with a cardiovascular disease should take in this pandemic. COVID-19 is a pandemic that has affected the entire world, including many positive cases found in India. Due to rapid urbanization and aging population of India, there is an increase in obesity and its associated cardiovascular disease risk factors, including diabetes and hypertension. Patients with underlying CVD and COVID-19 infection have an adverse prognosis. Pre-existing CVD may contribute to adverse clinical outcomes and infection may have longer-term implications for overall cardiovascular health. Particularly, attention should be given to CV protection during treatment for COVID-19. Therefore, India remains a large pool of people with diabetes and CVDs who are at high risk of infections. Coronavirus safety tips. Additional reasonable precautions. Take care of your heart. Please do not stop or change your medications without discussing with your doctors. The International Society for Hypertension strongly recommend that the routine use of ACE inhibitors and ARBs to treat raised blood pressure should continue and should not be influenced by concerns about COVID-19 infection. People with heart disease also need to pay extra attention to symptoms such as breathing difficulty, chest pain or irregular heartbeats. If you experience symptoms such as fever, cough or shortness of breath, call your doctor. Although there is not yet a vaccine for coronavirus, people with heart conditions should stay up to date on their vaccinations such as those for pneumonia and flu. General precautions for all. Whether you have diabetes or do not, everyone should be washing hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before eating, after using the bathroom and after coming home from being out in public. Use hand sanitizer when hand washing isn't possible. Face masks are not helpful if you aren't already sick. Limit the information you consume about the outbreak and trust reliable sources, which is very important. And please do not simply go out into public without any reasons. Mind the relaxation is only for the public and not for the virus. You have to be very cautious and careful. Rely on reliable sources for important information. Consult your doctor online or physically in case of necessary. So all this should help you to lead a happy, healthy, successful, prosperous life ahead. Signing off, this is Dr. Kiran. All the best.